Engineers develop rapid charging protocols for urban transit. Engineers develop rapid charging protocols for urban transit.
Forklifts transport pallets across expansive factory floors. Forklifts transport pallets across expansive factory floors.
Voltage harmonics introduce heating in transformer windings. Voltage harmonics introduce heating in transformer windings.
Generational wealth enables patronage of arts institutions proudly. Generational wealth enables patronage of arts institutions proudly.
Silent films rely on expressive visual storytelling techniques. Silent films rely on expressive visual storytelling techniques.
Homeschool parents arrange interdisciplinary outdoor activity days. Homeschool parents arrange interdisciplinary outdoor activity days.
Film festivals showcase emerging talent to global audiences. Film festivals showcase emerging talent to global audiences.
Monetary seigniorage impacts fiscal deficits through inflationary channels. Monetary seigniorage impacts fiscal deficits through inflationary channels.
He read biographies to learn from historical figures. He read biographies to learn from historical figures.
Campus security issues weather-related advisory notifications. Campus security issues weather-related advisory notifications.
Satellites detect deforestation using multispectral imagery. Satellites detect deforestation using multispectral imagery.
Sports clinics teach fundamentals to aspiring young athletes. Sports clinics teach fundamentals to aspiring young athletes.
Teachers design formative quizzes to reinforce concepts. Teachers design formative quizzes to reinforce concepts.
Students draft reflective journals documenting learning experiences. Students draft reflective journals documenting learning experiences.
Money coins clink inside ceramic piggy banks. Money coins clink inside ceramic piggy banks.
Maintenance schedules prevent unexpected factory downtime occurrences. Maintenance schedules prevent unexpected factory downtime occurrences.
He practiced beatboxing to perform rhythmic vocal sounds. He practiced beatboxing to perform rhythmic vocal sounds.
Umami-laden broths extract collagen, enriching mouthfeel deeply. Umami-laden broths extract collagen, enriching mouthfeel deeply.
School meals incorporate seasonal fruits and grains. School meals incorporate seasonal fruits and grains.
They built solar ovens for sustainable cooking solutions. They built solar ovens for sustainable cooking solutions.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.